Alright guys, so this is going to be a different type of video. Don't judge me, judge your mama, and just know that your girl got some cleaning to do. So this is my current makeup room slash closet slash everything, and I'm not gonna lie, it's extremely junky down here. It's just a mess. Hey guys, I have not been taking care of this room as I should and just letting it get a hot mess. I still have packages that I need to put up. I actually just did a story on my Instagram with some new makeup from Sephora and Juvia's place, so I need to get that together. I got clothes, like it's a mess. And do not mind my floors. My basement actually flooded a few weeks ago, and I did have my linoleum that was on the floors pulled up, and just this is what it looks like underneath there. So I need to sweep and mop and kind of get this clean, and so that y'all see this, like it's just the indentation into the ground because this is paint, so that is not coming up. So in case y'all are wondering, like, what is all of that? That's paint on the floor. That's just like scuff, so it's not gum or dirt. It's literally not coming up. So anyway, we need to get this, we as if y'all are here with me, I need to get this clean. I don't know. Okay, this is just from yesterday. Okay, I'm not that nasty, but yeah, I need to get this. So you guys come with me as I clean up my makeup room. This is just ridiculous, you guys. I'm normally not this junky, at least normally. So let's go. All right, so to get started, I have to get my music on first. Your girl is going to turn on some Pandora because that is the only way I'm about to get through this room.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
The amount of stuff I had on that desk, you guys, like seriously filled up about a plastic bag worth of stuff. Like I couldn't really even believe the amount of stuff that could have really just went in the garbage. But I'm not a pack rat, I promise. It's just been a minute since I've been down there. And of course, I had to take a break because boom, there go my sunglasses. This is, I guess, a quick try on haul for you guys because I have these glasses I bought from Sunglass Hut a couple weeks ago. About to film a video, but I was like, damn, let me try them on right now. So which ones do you guys like? I definitely like those yellow ones, but the clear ones are like 1980s vibe. For real? Oh, all right, let me get back to work.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I'll be the first to say I had definitely jumped on the craze of the Alex IKEA drawers and desks and tabletops and all of that stuff. But baby, white is so hard to keep clean in a makeup room. Like, I had fingerprints of foundation, highlighter, lipstick, everything you name on top of my dresser, on top of my drawer. So of course I had to get that together. And I personally like to have my top of my dresser as empty or bare as possible. So I really just keep my fragrances, body sprays, perfumes, and jewelry box. And that's really it. I used to have so much on there and it would just look so just crowded and just disgusting. So now I try to keep it very minimum. Gotta put a little plant right there, add some type of greenery, but I definitely like having the top of my dresser as bare and minimal as possible. Just your girl smells good and a little deodorant and boom. I already told y'all how these floors look, so trust me, I am sweeping up. I am sweeping up some trash and just stuff that's on the floor. I know it don't really look like it. And I honestly wasn't going to film this video for you guys because I'm like, I hate my floors right now, but y'all gonna get this video. Boom, still finding products, makeup. But y'all are definitely gonna get this video and just know that this room came together. I did sweep it, I did mop it, but of course, until I get these floors redone, this is what we're looking at. And I did have a rug. I don't know if you guys remember in like my last videos, I had a nice gray and white rug that got soaking wet when my basement flooded, and I never took it to like the laundromat to wash because it was so big. I didn't want to put it in my washer, so I had to throw it out. So this is what we're looking at. And of course, my battery would die right or overheat right towards the end, but I did finish sweeping and mopping the floors, and I did clean that mirror in the corner over there. I used my glass cleaner that Nitra B recommended in her videos. I actually use a lot of the products she uses, so if you guys want to know what I use, I'll link it below. But yeah, I did get this room together. Alright guys, so I am done for right now with my makeup room. If you guys remember what it looked like before, this is what it looks like now. Nice and clean. I need to wash my brushes, so that will be next on the list, maybe tonight. But at least for the most part, my desk is clean. This is clean. Don't mind. That is from my flat iron, so oh well. But yeah, we are looking so good. Cleaned off my dresser. Just has a nice candle blowing, a nice candle burning. My packages, I actually put, so you saw that I cleaned this out. I took out all the clothes that were in there. Some of the clothes in there were things that I needed to give away. Some were dirty and some were just old winter, cardigans and stuff. But anyway, I wound up keeping it in here because everything you see in here are recent packages. Some have been here for a week. Some have been here for a couple days, but these are recent packages that I need to actually do some videos on. So I do have some unboxing videos and some try on hauls coming up. I have glasses from Sunglass Hut. This is a Fashion Nova bag, Shein bag, Boohoo, and then this is just a box of makeup from Sephora as well as some stuff from Juvia's Place. So my makeup room slash closet, little studio is all together. Of course, like I said, the floors are a hot mess. There's no baseboards because I had literally had to rip everything off. when my basement flooded literally like a month and a half ago. So if you guys own a home, you know the stuff is not cheap. So to get a basement floor redone, even in a room this small, is a couple $1,000s. So this is what it's gonna be until it's not. So I hope you guys like this clean with me video. I think I did pretty good. Here are all my beautiful work clothes that I have not worn since March because I've been working from home. And if you guys are true subscribers, then you remember I did a haul, not a haul, I did a clothes I regret buying. This is that bag of clothes. I have yet to get rid of it. So I'm gonna plug that video. If you guys are a size 14 or 16 and you see something that you like, let me know. I really just don't care anymore. I'm getting rid of everything. So this is it. We are all clean. We are good to go. So see you guys in the next video.